In today's video, we will be diving into Slack API. Slack API is a powerful tool that allows developers to build custom applications, automate workflows, and exchange data with the Slack platform. Slack API provides several integration options to suit different use cases. Let's explore some of the main types. This API allows you to display events or messages in real time within a Slack instance or workspace. The Events API enables you to control and specify a set of actions or events that you want to monitor or capture within Slack. Working in conjunction with the Events API, the Web API is responsible for receiving responses from Slack instances. It allows you to send information from Slack to another application seamlessly. This API subset, integrated into Slack App API for the web, provides additional features for making changes to public, private, and shared channels as well as direct messages.